Hello traders and welcome to the weekend edition. My name's Des Woodruff here at Grok Trade, and this video is good through October 30th, 2011. And to all you here in America that celebrate Halloween, happy Halloween to all you guys. And let's get looking here at the markets. A very bullish week we've had. And to demonstrate my point here, this is a monthly chart on the S&P, a huge candlestick. So I drew this red line right next to it just to show the high and the low, so the trading range of that. If you go back in time, you don't see any other candlestick that is bullish that's bigger than that. Now we had some bearish ones, this one and that. We had two bearish ones that were bigger than that trading range, but no green ones. Let's move this over. Right here's one, and this was March 2000. March 2000. If I take this red and put it right there, last time we had a candlestick that big was over a decade ago. And then we immediately get a bearish candlestick. We've, just chopped around, and then we started dropping after that. So what we're seeing here, the run that we had this month, you're not going to see very often. So if you're a trader and you've been trading this month, mark this one down in the history books. This is a huge run. But looking here at a monthly chart, we have support now is acting as resistance. We do have a nice crossover taking place on the stochastic. However, we are at major resistance. The question is, what are we going to do with that resistance? If I go here to a weekly chart, you can see we had this downtrend. Let me get rid of the volume, it's just too big. We had this big downtrend. We go to a double bottom trend reversal pattern. We rally straight up, several bars now above all major moving averages. And we have a 1300 and also a couple trend lines that we're going to have to deal with. And then on the daily chart, we just broke out of this falling wedge and gone straight up. And on Friday, we close above, again, the 200-day simple moving average. On the Dow, we have just a big run above all major moving averages. The weekly running up nicely, but we do have some resistance coming up. And then on the monthly chart, we have support. Now we're at resistance. That's a major area. And again, a massive candlestick on the monthly. Let's go to the NASDAQ. NASDAQ monthly. Support and support resistance. So we have resistance taking place on the monthly on the NAS. Also, what's interesting on the NASDAQ weekly chart is we're approaching right now that major resistance point. So I think this big rally we've had, I'm expecting a sizable retracement. On the daily, we've popped up, and we're above some major resistance points. Not too shabby. Russell's, small caps, check this out. On the daily, we're still below the 200-day moving average. Relatively weak here. And if we go to the weekly, we got big time resistance approaching us very soon. And then on the monthly, we are support, and resistance. We're there. So it's almost like stick a fork in it. We've had our chance. We've had our big run. But now we're smacking our head. GDP remains at 2.5. But let's go to Finviz. When you go there, click on groups. Once you go to groups, the thing I want to really pay attention to is on the weekly. See what's taking place. Basic material, gang, it's done really well. It's pulled itself out of the gutter. So is financials. This is the big hope for the bullish market. If financials can stay strong. On the monthly, basic materials, financials, number 3, doing really well. 3 months, You can see healthcare, consumer goods services, financials just now coming into positive territory. It was so far in the red. And you can see this going back 6 months, how much it was in the red. And then, but anyway, so what we're seeing here is a big run. Obviously, to get the run that we had in October, you had to have financials supporting that, and we have. The big question is, will financials allow a continuation of this market's move? One thing I like to do is I like to go look at the bank. So this is the bank monthly. The bank monthly, we had this big drop out of a symmetrical triangle or bearish pennant. We're coming back to a major resistance point. However, these patterns, if you get what I call jabs or these fake outs, and it rallies back, you could get a run of all runs here. So the question is, can we bust through those two areas of resistance? If so, expect this market to go bullish. If not, expect bad things to happen. Now on the weekly, we have a bunch of resistance right there. It's coming at this 1670 on the banks. This is a huge number that we're watching. The question is, can we get through that, or will we stall there and then drop, which I think is a very real possibility. And as far as the daily is concerned, we're still caught up inside the moving averages. After an extended run, I am expecting a pullback. The question is, will these 20 and 50-day moving averages act as support, or will it just snap down through it? So, you get the best technical analysis right here at Grok Trade. My name's Dez, and I sincerely appreciate each and every one of you. We have 150 countries coming to the website, thousands of traders each day. Share us with your friends. Let others know. Post this on the trader blogs and in the trader chat rooms, and let people know about us. Matter of fact, I'll let you in on something. We have a brand new website going to be released coming up really soon, and it's going to happen sometime here in November. So make sure you get registered, and you do have a registration on file before this new website gets released. All right, I am a mentor, and I'd be happy to be your mentor. All you need to do is make the decision that you're done trying to fight the market yourself and you want more formalized trading education. I can and will help you. I can do it live coming up here in the middle of November. I'm in Vegas, or we can do it virtually online, but it will be live and private online. And you can do that with me in just a week or two, or wait until next month. But let's get the ball rolling. We'll send you some testimonials, some video testimonials, and you can talk to students who've also been through the program. Take care and safe trading each and every one of you, and give me a thumbs up. Click like if you'd be so kind.